Welcome to my channel, guys. In my today video I'm going to be working on this very easy crochet hat, especially for beginners. So this is my little hat and it's having just 3 rows. So let me go straight to the point, guys. So the first thing that I have to do is I take my yarn and I pass the yarn like this. After passing it like this, I go in with my crochet hook, then I pull like this. So I'm going to crochet 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So after crocheting my 4 chain, I'm going to come back here where I begin on my first stitch and I'm going to close it with a slim stitch. So the next thing that I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to crochet 3 chain. Then after this 3 chain, guys, I'm going to crochet 10 double crochet follow. So I'll start from here and I'll be crocheting inside this tiny hole. So this 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, 7 double crochet, 8 double crochet, 9 double crochet and 10 double crochet. So next I'm going to close my hole. So the 10 double crochet plus the 1 chain, it's going to make all together the total of 11 double stitch. So now I'm going to close my work here. On top of my chain, I'm going to make a slim stitch, then I close my work like this. Then I come in with my stitch marker. So as I'm having 11 stitches, so I'm going to count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the 6th stitch, guys, is going to be the middle of my work. So I put the stitch marker there. So from here I'm going to begin with a chain. I make a chain. That's the chain represent 1 single stitch. So the next I'm going to work on a half stitch. I'm going to put 2 half stitch, in the next hole, then 2 half stitch, followed. Then on the next hole I'm going to put 1 half stitch. Then in the same hole of the half stitch I'm going to put a double stitch. So on the next I'll put 1 double stitch, 1 double stitch in the same hole, a double stitch, then followed by another double stitch. So here I arrive where there's the stitch marker, so I'm going to remove my stitch marker. So this is the middle of my work, guys. I'm going to crochet 1 double stitch, followed by a triple crochet. So you put 3 yarn over your hook, a triple stitch like this, back to the same hole, a double stitch like this. So I move next to the next hole, double stitch, double stitch, 2, double stitch, another double stitch in the same hole. So I move to the next hole, guys, here. So I'm going to put a on the next hole I'm going to put 1 double stitch, 1 half stitch, then half stitch, half stitch here, half stitch, another half stitch like that. So that's what I'm having. So here I'm going to crochet 2 chain, then I'll come here on the bottom of this chain and I'm going to make a slim stitch like that. So from here I'll continue with a single stitch followed by half stitch, half stitch, half stitch, half stitch, half stitch, double crochet. So I'm having 5 half stitch. So here 2 half stitch, 2 half stitch plus 1 half stitch here, making it 5, then followed by the next double stitch. Then here, from here I'll be putting 2 double stitch in each hole, 2 double stitch, 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 2 double stitch. So here I'm at the middle of my work, so I'm going to put 1 double stitch, 3 loops on top of my work, triple stitch, double stitch like that. Then I continue with double stitch, 2 double stitch on each hole, guys. Double stitch, two 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 double stitch. So here 1 double stitch, 1 half stitch, So 2 half stitch, two half stitch, 2 half stitch. So here I make a chain of 2, then I make a slim stitch here on the middle, guys. Make slim stitch like that. So I'm going to cut my yarn now. Cut my yarn. So I'll pull my work out. So I use my needle and I'll sew the yarn inside. So I pull my yarn inside like this. Here. I'm going to cut my yarn. So this is my work, how it's look. This is the back part of the work, and this is the frontal section of my hat. So if you have watched up to this stage, guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching.